My name is Janvi Ravi Kulkarni. I am in the 7th standard. The name of my school is Jilla Parishad Primary School Satefar. Today I present my school. The name of my school is Jilla Parishad Primary School Satefar. Mr. Bhagwan sir is the headmaster of my school. There are 6 teachers in my school. There are 125 students in my school. Mr. Dhonde sir is my class teacher. He teaches us English, Marathi and Hindi. He teaches us very well. There are 7 classrooms in my school. My school has a big playground. We play together on the playground. My school has a big library. We read storybooks on the Saturday, bagless day. My school has 2 toilets. My school has no peon, but my school is very clean and beautiful. Apurva is my best friend. We play and study together. I come to school with my friend. I come to school at 9 o'clock in the morning. I go back home at 4 o'clock. I love my school very much. I am proud of my school. Thank you.